you're experiencing low performance while playing Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Lower the video settings in Minecraft. Go to the Options menu, then Video Settings, and reduce the render distance, graphics, and smooth lighting. This will help your game run more smoothly. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and adjust the JVM arguments to allocate more memory G. Change XMZone G to XMXWO G for 2 GB. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers to improve performance and compatibility. Step 4. Use performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods like Optifine. These mods can provide additional settings and optimizations that can significantly boost your game's performance. Step 5. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Minecraft to use more of your computer's power for a smoother experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in Minecraft's performance. Enjoy your gaming.